Assalamualaikum everyone, YZ again with tip number 38, which is Saturday Delight. Well, I would like to quote Laura Vanderkam. She is a famous writer and author of 2 books. She says, successful people know that weekends are secret weapon in their professional success because you need to hit Monday ready to go. And to do that, you need weekends to refresh rather than being exhausted or disappointed. For example, cross-training can always make you a better athlete. Likewise, exercise, some volunteer work, spiritual activities, quality time with your friends and family, and some hands-on parenting can make you a better professional than if you're always busy with your office stuff. So make the most of your Saturdays, build good relationships, become a better person, relax and enjoy. Bye-bye.